it's a great opportunity for us to give the learners access to resources so they can refer back to it, and utilize the Padlet to get access to things like tasks, news articles, and any other material that will support the course. The great thing about Padlet is that it's got everything I need, like lessons wise, just in one place. So if I really, like, say if I'm having a really good work day and I'm getting lots of work done, I could just sit down in one spot and just go through all of it like one go.
I found Padlet really useful because it just allows for everything that our teacher sets us to be in one place. So it's more efficient to have access to everything at once. And if you don't know something from previous lesson, you'll be able to quickly go back. When I use it on my phone, it's a more compact version of it, but it's still really easily usable. It allows for everything that you do on a computer, but it just makes it more usable for people that don't have access to computers.
The really good thing about Padlet is that it's completely multimedia, so you can put any type of posts and content onto it that you want to. It's essentially a web browser that allows you to reconfigure the page itself, so you can have different templates, which includes buckets like this, where you can put different content under different units. The template we use is buckets, and that allows you to sort of collect different types of media in one place. And that's really useful for the learners, because if you wanted to highlight a concept or a unit, then you can just collect all the different media under that one bucket. It's formatted in such a way that when they use it on a laptop or on a mobile phone, the content loads properly, so they can just scroll across horizontally and then find the section they want and then scroll up and down. And then when you click on that, it will just load that particular media file. So it's the on-demand aspect that we like. They can always access the learning, the resources, and the teachers can use this in their lessons as well, because they can bring this up as it's quite visual, when their PowerPoints from here, when their videos from here. So that sort of multimedia aspect is why we use it for T-levels. It keeps everything together. And whilst T-levels are fairly new, we can introduce new content on there nice and easy.